Let's double check just a local zone for Polkadot. We're more than okay to buy back dot. Let's dive in. All right, guys, how recommended with my customer record set, use this brand new one. So this is another indicator what I added in my set. So this is a dashboard which combine all in one place, all indicators, so you can just choose the time frame and track everything on this. Pretty good visualization what's going on with your favorite tokens in real time on different time frames what it track. All right, so global targets, guys, I don't want to repeat again for Polkadot. Everything is still in play, I guess. Let's just now focus on the local zones. So 12 time frame, we didn't test the buy line, so it's kind of bad. It's kind of bad because many tokens already come back even to around this level. Because usually, you remember, I explained it, we can come back and close the 50% of these weeks here. So this is a week. Let's adjust it on the daily. So yes, this is a daily. So we just test 23 level by FIB. Many tokens already tested the 0.5 or even 78 level by FIB. So it's kind of bad, because some tokens like Zcash already performed and hit the new all-time high of zone 18, right? But Polkadot, the master of this one, the marketing campaign. So just to be honest, guys, the people brainwashed with the Polkadot. They should deliver something, but they deliver nothing. Which help exactly the price. So yes, like attach, maybe like a project, like a startup, they work a pretty good one. They give him Woods, also the good guy, but it's not affect the price at all. So I hope the ETF on Polkadot will be successful. Just to be honest, I'm in Polkadot, I'm in temporary losses, I wait my targets, but it's kind of bad. How nobody care about a dot, and I hope it will recover back. So to buy back now Polkadot, it's $1.79, $1.51. It will be more than okay. On the Binance, guys, it's dumped to 3 cents. Oh, 63. Sorry, 63 cents. On other exchanges, I guess there is totally different numbers. Let's double check on, for example, on the OKX. On OKX, it was like 96. So by the way, here on OKX, we already tested the buy line. So kind of interesting. If we double check the on OKX week, so where we stop it. Anyway, we stop it at 23. So if you use the OKX, for example, it's $1.94, $1.71. If you use on the Binance, this one, you can wait a little bit lower. It's, by the way, here is also tested the buy line on the daily, but not on the 12 time frame. $1.79, $1.51. So this is a zone where you can try to catch the Polkadot. If you want to also add alert to take profit the buy line. Buy line on 12 time frame, now it's $2.28. For the amount value of this token is $1.69. So this is what about the take profit indicator on the 12 time frame and the daily. So I don't think so we're going to drop under $1 again. I think it's more than enough. So this one low we can delete. Now we dump on the 27 block. 27 even the zone. So $6.63, $2.96. It was a great time to buy based on that current moment, where we've been in the chart. Because, it's impossible to predict what will happen next, but you have to build a plan. And the plan was correct. So we hold the line a long-term period before that crash. 27 zone, it was a great time for accumulation. Now we dump it under. What to do now? Guys, up to your own risk. If you're ready to accumulate Polkadot, you can accumulate now. $2.58, for example, $5-6 you withdraw initial deposit and feel pretty good one. Take profit, guys. Sooner or later we will test it. It's $4.94. Exit line $5.57. Weekly time frame we also underrated. Take profit line on the weekly it's $7.15. Exit line $8.08. So sooner or later, guys, we will test that zones. Buy line on the 4 time frame, it's $1.95. For the amount value, it's $1.47. I don't think so. We're gonna drop to $1.47. Take profit $3.88. Exit line $4.40. So now, of course, the higher time frame more important than the smaller one, but would be good to see the retest of $2.27, maybe $1.91. So this is my take for Polkadot, and after that we can climb to the top. So now let's focus only on this block. So no makes sense to repeat again the global targets for Polkadot if this token is not a scam and will be still exist on centralized exchanges. It's a dashboard again. 12 time frame, it's accumulation zone. Nice one. Daily, here was accumulation. We formed the biggest divergence. Bullish. Here's not a crazy accumulation, but under the middle line. So it's bullish. Weekly, bullish with the divergence. Nice one. So divergence since May 2022, it's extra bullish. Monthly, also bullish. So here was a low, crazy divergence even in the monthly. So this is not like time to out of Polkadot, I guess, it's just my personal opinion. But locally, yes, just to be ready to see the price a little bit under than $2. So just in case, guys. Direction, here's a accumulation, was accumulation here, some bounces, now nothing. It's kind of bad, because we didn't see some accumulation at so low price on the weekly. Daily, also based only on direction indicator here. Some accumulation was here before the pump, so we pump it to $3 to $4.60 and nothing. So just chop in the middle. 12 time frame also no accumulation. Time to sell was based on direction indicator in September. Now nothing. So guys, I highly recommend you just add alerts and track it. Just track it, so be ready. If you want to catch the knives, guys, of course, if you not touch any token yet, and if you want to accumulate Polkadot, I think it's a great time to buy, even with the DCA. I'm not a fan of DCA strategy, but just to be honest, now based on risk ratio, risk reward, now I think it's okay time for accumulation. 258. If we dump under $1, you could buy the same amount of tokens. So your average entry will be around, I don't know, $1.70. So it's amazing entry. We can't know what will happen next with any token, but we can build a plan. That's why congrats if you not wasted the money like I did with the Polkadot earlier, because I'm in Polkadot since 2021, the part changed. Because it's not just because I bought the Polkadot so high, no, just because I staked my Polkadot in 2021. And after that, I received the Clever, Aster network, Moonbeam, Moonriver, Accumulation network totally for free, but it was not an option because the price going down. So I'm better sell my Polkadot than stake it for that part change. So I already explained it to you in some videos. So here it's a daily time frame. This is a disbelief, nice one. Weekly capitulation. Nobody care about a Polkadot anymore. It's good time. Monthly. Nobody care about a Polkadot. Since January 75, we're in a crazy capitulation zone. Usually, it's bullish. It can be bearish, when we trade in that sentiment in the market. Take profit, I already showed you. Trade on. Monthly, no data. Weekly, sell, buybacks, now nothing. Daily. Take profit was here on the Donald Trump announcement. Here's a signal to buy. I wish to see the drop by end of this week. For example, under $2, the panic sales, and after that, liquidate all guys who open it short. Maybe we can recover back even from current prices. Here's a buy signals, nice one. But the target, guys, So up to your own risk. Now, based on the money inflow, money outflow. Here was a money outflow, 12 time frame. Now no money inflow yet. Daily, no money inflow yet. Weekly, no money inflow, guys, yet. So soon, I hope we will see some money inflow like it was here in August. We under that level of August 24. We traded $4.28. Now we traded $2.58, but no money inflow. So guys, I highly recommend you just add alerts and wait the targets. All levels were more than okay to buy. I showed you. Maybe at $1, I don't know, 70, I will try to futures trade, not a spot. A spot is enough for me. I hope you like this video. If you like to trade with my customer, I will show you this video. Use right medium. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.